have grown my juice, and I allowed the plant to grow very well, develop so well. They bore fruit, and I allowed the fruit to just grow dry on its own. Then later on, I came here to weed this place and till the land. All of a sudden, this magic is happening here without having to need any seed from anywhere. My old juice has produced this. I didn't broadcast it myself, it happened automatically. So as I'm saying, go get a handful of jute. It doesn't have to be even a handful, just a couple of seeds that can germinate. Once you put them on the ground, allow that to grow. But the good news is that you can even harvest them for food. So don't say that because you want to make seed out of it, you are not going to harvest. No, go ahead and harvest. Harvest. Harvest for food. Just harvest, okay? And keep eating that until it bears fruit. And then allow it to dry. You weed the land and you clear the land, then you just till it, and that is it. Now, another magic is this that I'm going to share with you. It's a secret. It's a secret. Nobody's talking about this on YouTube, man. Nobody else is talking about this. Anybody who tell you about jute doesn't talk about what I'm talking about. I'm the only one sharing this. So I want you to subscribe to this Farm Decor channel. Click on like and share this video because it's a secret. All right, I'm so excited to share this secret with you. Okay, getting back, another secret I want to share with you is that when you burn jute seed, you have rather given it the potency to grow wild. So for those of you who are like, can I get 10 olonkas of jute from you? Where do I get jute to buy? Just don't worry about the 10 olonkas. Worry about getting a handful. Then when you grow it, you can decide to let it be weedy, and you just weed, bend the land, you just bend it, and I tell you honestly, when it starts to rain, it's going to be magic on your land. Everywhere is going to sprout with juice everywhere. Okay, see you. And that's what I want to share with you. So, yo, Michael Truth here. Thanks for watching. See you. Don't forget to subscribe.